Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 22 and we'll be talking about special circumstances. But if you're just joining us in this series, check out the description below where you will find links to episodes 1 through 21 and get caught up with us. So, there are times when the family may pull together their tax documents and account statements to complete the FAFSA, and the information on their taxes is really no longer their reality. Things have changed. And so we're going to talk about those special circumstances. Some of those circumstances can include loss of employment, pay cuts, tuition expenses at elementary or secondary schools, or unreimbursed medical or dental expenses. And there are other things that could qualify as special circumstances as well. In that case, what the family needs to do is go ahead and complete the FAFSA as instructed, and then talk with the financial aid officer at the college you plan to attend to explain a little bit about your special circumstances, fill out whatever documentation they require, and have the supporting documentation that you need as evidence to support your special circumstances. And the financial aid officer will work with you to modify their determination of your financial aid eligibility because things definitely do change. So, thank you for joining us today. That concludes our quick tip. Don't forget to like, share, invite others to join in and watch this valuable information with you on this series, Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.